The highlights of today's defense news, 15th of December 25. Army to get 3 Apache attack copters, Navy to induct Seahawks. Bhabha Atomic Research Center to set up 3,000-acre R&D campus in Andhra Pradesh's Anakapalli. ISRO to launch strategic EOS N1 satellite on 31st of December with PSLV rocket. Indian Navy to commission ENA's 335 OSPREYS. VAYUVYA Defence building Garuda MK-1, a next-generation medium-altitude long-endurance male UAV. IIT Kanpur startup RFNanocomposites unveils Faraday pouches for advanced anti-tracking and anti-surveillance protection. Sagar Defence to build world's first autonomous maritime shipyard in Andhra Pradesh. In a boost to India's rotary wing combat capabilities, the Army is now set to get delivery of its 3 remaining Apache AH-64 attack helicopters from the US, while the Navy will also commission its second squadron of MH-60 Romeo Seahawk submarine hunting choppers soon. The induction of these delayed American helicopters will plug existing operational gaps. Army and Air Force are likely to begin getting 156 indigenous Prachand light combat helicopters from 2028 onwards. Overall, the armed forces want over 1,000 new helicopters of different types in the next 10 to 15 years to make up for major deficiencies as well as replace obsolete Cheetah and Chetak fleets. They include 484 light utility helicopters in the 3.5-ton class and 419 Indian multi-role helicopters in the 10 to 15-ton class, but there have been huge delays in these projects being executed by Hindustan Aeronautics. The 3 Apache gunships, dubbed tanks in the air since they are armed with Stinger air-to-air missiles, Hellfire longbow air-to-ground missiles, guns and rockets, will touch down in India within a couple of days. ISRO is aiming to launch the PSLV C-62 EOS N1 mission on 31st of December. The primary payload, EOS N1, is a hyperspectral Earth observation satellite developed by DRDO, dubbed UNVEIL. Hyperspectral imaging satellites are advanced cameras that capture light in many more colors than conventional cameras that do so in 3 or 4 colors. Such satellites can provide high-resolution imaging for intelligence or border monitoring with the capacity to distinguish camouflaged military assets like vehicles or buildings based on the unique spectral signatures of the materials used. Previously, the DRDO was pursuing a totally different technology for UNVEIL, a Ku-band synthetic aperture radar with an unfurlable antenna and deployable boom, similar in design to the NISAR satellite, a collaboration between ISRO and NASA that commenced science operations recently. In 2019, the DRDO had launched its Kautilya mission, also known as EMISAT, with the stated purpose of monitoring the electromagnetic environment. The satellite was deployed by the PSLV C-45 flight. This is an orbital electronics intelligence asset capable of locating and characterizing radar emissions and communication systems, enhancing situational awareness. The satellite can, for example, provide locations of hostile radars along the border. The Sindhu Netra mission, also known as RSAT, was one of the co-passengers on the PSLV C-51 flight, is a marine domain awareness satellite that can automatically identify warships and merchant vessels in the Indian Ocean region. DRDO plans to launch a pair of hyperspectral Earth observation satellites. Indian Navy will commission its second MH-60 Romeo helicopter squadron ENA's 335 Ospreys on 17th of December 25 at INS Hansa in Goa. The advanced weapons, sensors and avionics suites make the helicopter a versatile and capable asset for the Indian Navy, offering enhanced capabilities to address conventional as well as asymmetric threats. The aircraft has been fully integrated with fleet operations and has proven its worth on numerous occasions. Bangalore-based VAYUVYA Defence has unveiled the Garuda Mark I its ambitious next generation medium altitude long endurance male unmanned aerial vehicle tailored for the demanding requirements of persistent surveillance, border security, and tactical intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. Engineered with cutting edge technology, the Garuda Mark I promises to fill critical gaps in real time battlefield awareness, particularly along volatile frontiers like the line of actual control with China and the line of control with Pakistan. The airframe of the Garuda Mark I stands out for its lightweight composite construction, primarily utilizing advanced carbon fiber reinforced polymers and other high strength, low weight materials. These composites not only slash the overall structural mass by up to 40% compared to traditional aluminum alloys, but also enhance fatigue resistance and corrosion immunity, vital for operations in India's diverse climates from arid deserts to high altitude Himalayan terrains. This design choice enables superior aerodynamic efficiency, allowing the UAV to achieve endurance flights exceeding 24 hours while maintaining altitudes between 15,000 and 25,000 feet. The flight control systems employ fly-by-wire architecture with redundant triple voting inertial navigation and GPS-aided positioning, ensuring pinpoint accuracy even in GPS-denied environments through indigenous anti-jamming technology. Real-time data fusion from onboard AI algorithms processes multispectral inputs, delivering actionable intelligence to ground stations via secure SATCOM and line of sight links. Modularity defines the Garuda Mark I's payload versatility with a swappable bay accommodating up to 150 kilograms of mission specific equipment. Electro optical infrared gimbals provide high resolution day night imaging with laser designation for targeting, while communication relay pods extend the range of tactical networks for beyond line of sight operations. IIT Kanpur incubated startup RFNanocomposites has developed made in India Faraday pouches designed to block or greatly attenuate electromagnetic and radio frequency signals, protecting devices like mobiles, key fobs, and sensitive electronics from tracking, hacking, or unauthorized access. These pouches leverage the company's core expertise in advanced EMI shielding and stealth nanocomposite materials originally developed for defense radar absorbing and high performance shielding applications, now productized into compact everyday security solutions aligned with the broader push for indigenous EM protection technologies. What are Faraday pouches? Electromagnetic shielding. They prevent signals like GPS, Wi Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular from entering or leaving a device. Anti tracking protection stops location monitoring by blocking GPS and mobile network signals. Anti surveillance use prevents remote hacking, eavesdropping, or unauthorized access to devices. Nanocomposite materials developed by RF Nanocomposites. These materials are lightweight, eco-friendly, and highly effective in stealth applications. Sagar Defence Engineering has been allotted 29.58 acres of land at the Juvaladin fishing harbour in Bogalu Mandal in Nellore district in Andhra Pradesh for setting up the first autonomous maritime shipyard and systems center. Sagar Defence described the upcoming center as a transformative development at a time when global maritime industries are rapidly advancing towards robotics, artificial intelligence, unmanned systems, and sustainable operations. The facility is envisioned as a pioneering hub that will accelerate innovation, reshape industrial practices, and set new international benchmarks in autonomous maritime technology. Beyond shipbuilding, the center is expected to influence defense readiness, commercial shipping efficiency, environmental performance, and the growth of a future ready maritime workforce. By enabling engineers, researchers, and industry partners to conduct real time trials, it will shorten innovation cycles and reduce India's reliance on foreign test facilities. That's the news for today. We hope you have enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.